Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create a discount code in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the Shopify website right here, shopify.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. In the upper right corner, if you're not already logged in, you are going to see the option to go ahead and log in or sign up for an account if you do not already have one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're going to see. From here, let's go and take a look at how to create discount codes for our products. Here at the left side of the screen, you can find all the sections we can access for store, such as managing our orders, products we have, and so on. As you can see, one of the options that you can go ahead and see is going to be called discounts. This is what you want to open up. By clicking on discounts, this is now going to enable you to manage discounts and promotions. You can add the discount codes and automatic discounts that apply at checkout, and then you can click the create discount option right here if you do not already have them. So you can choose what type of discount you want to use: amount of products, buy X, get Y, amount of, and free shipping. So select whichever option you prefer, and then it's going to go ahead and enable you to input the discount code right here. You can generate a random one if you want, or you can just input whatever you prefer and select which countries it's going to go ahead and be used for, eligibility, minimum purchase requirements, and so on. Once you're satisfied and created all you need, just click save right here at the bottom right corner. As you can see, now this is going to go ahead and create our discount. We can find it right here, and now it's going to be usable, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.